I pay my heartiest obeisance to His Holiness Acharya Sri Mahashramanji, as today 16th Kishore Mandal Adhiveshan is happening virtually. It gives us a sense of a new era, an era induced by COVID. Literally last 1.5 years have been drastic on mankind. There have been many uncertainties. People were having trust deficit. We couldn't even trust our own selves. It was that kind of time. And for a man, there can be nothing worse than not trusting even your own self. But this was this kind of time, last 1.5 years. But even if we go behind, man has always seen himself through others' eyes. He never trusts his own instincts. Charles Cooley once said, "I'm not what I think I am. I'm not what you think I am. I'm what I think you think I am." मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो मैं अपने आप को मानता हूँ. मैं वो भी नहीं हूँ जो तुम मुझे मानते हो. मैं वो हूँ जो मैं मानता हूँ कि तुम मुझे ऐसा मानते हो. When these kind of things happen, we cannot touch new heights. For touching new heights, we must trust ourselves. World might be against us, but there must be confidence in ourselves that no, whatever I am doing is right. I am on the right path. And when we have that trust that I can make anything possible, only then we can touch new milestones. There's a famous basketball player, Michael Jordan. He's known to be one of the greatest basketball players in the world. His childhood gave us a very inspirational story. When he was 5 years old, his father called him, showed him off a piece of cloth, and asked him what would be its price. Michael said, maybe some $1. His father said, you have to sell it in $2. Michael said, okay, I'll try. He took the cloth, washed it, ironed it, and by hours of hard work, he was able to sell that piece of cloth in $2. 2 months later, again his father called him, similar kind of cloth, and this time his father said, you have to sell this piece of cloth in $20. Michael was like astonished. What are you saying? How can this be possible? His father said, no, you have to at least try. Michael said, okay, I'll try. He took the piece of cloth again, washed it, ironed it, and this time he used his creativity. Some tattoos kind of things he pasted on it, Mickey Mouse stickers. And after that, after a lot of hard work, and he was able to again sell that piece of cloth in $20. Father was happy. After 1 year, again his father called him, and this time his father said, you have to sell this piece of cloth in $200. I mean, it's quite impossible. We can think it's quite impossible. But these are kind of situations when man's true character comes in front of world. Normally all of we will say, no, yeah, this is not possible, man. How can this happen? But the true characters take these kind of opportunities. No, man, I can do this. And Michael was that kind of personality. He said, yeah, I'll try my best again. He took that piece of cloth, and for months he was thinking, what should I do? He was contemplating. And at last, he got one opportunity. There was a big Hollywood actress coming in his town. He took the piece of cloth and made way in crowd reached near actress and asked that, please, can you give me an autograph? Actress was like, oh, he's a small child, 6-year-old child, let's give him. She gave him an autograph, and Michael was able to sell that piece of cloth to a rich child in $1,200. This is kind of resolution power, determination. I mean, today there's an era of superheroes. All superheroes might have different kind of powers, but the one power which they all have an equal is the resolution power. They all are resolute to save the world, to make it a better place, whatever may come. And only then, even in our lives, there are so many situations come, so many problems come, but if we are resolute, like Paulo Coelho had famously said, if you really want something, the whole universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. We have that power, we have that all things in ourselves, and we are the future of our Dharm Sangh, of our nation. Everyone has pinned our hopes on us. So it's our responsibility to get that energy, that resolution. And if we are able to have trust in our instincts, we have that resolution power. There is no milestone which we cannot touch. And I hope that all of us, we are going to take this responsibility to touch new milestones and to take our Dharm Sangh to new heights. Om Arham.